Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today we'll see how to make instant Maggie bhel. So let's get started. So for that, first we'll crush the Maggie into small pieces and we'll allow it to turn golden brown. We'll turn on the flame at medium so it will become crispy and be cooked. Then we'll transfer it into a bowl. Then we will add some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onion to it, chopped cabbage, you can also add vegetables according to your flavor and taste. That's totally on you. Then here I am adding pasta masala to it for that extra flavor to the bhel. So here I have taken half tablespoon of pasta masala, some tamarind juice, or you can use lemon juice to it. Then I have just sprinkled some coriander to it and then give it a nice mix. And then your instant Maggie bhel is ready. You can also follow us on Instagram by the same name Glittery Vibes. We will be back super soon with another video. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering. Thanks for watching.